everyone! Today I'm gonna show how I do my drawing. Okay, that I already started doing it, so I turn back and I do it from start. Sorry if I have a bad English, it's because I'm Italian. So my drawing are basically an anime girl, and for this I do the base for doing an anime girl. I think if you are an artist, know how to do it, but I show you. Okay, first do a circle, then a line in that circle, a line here, and do this. That is the end of the face. That's the more important line, and you have to do the face for this line. You can do the face for this line. So, that's an anime face. You can see and say, no, that's not an anime face, it's just a strange thing. But if you go to do it, you see it's an anime face. But we have to have the anime face like this, because I have to show you over to do the eyes, the part of the face. For the body, I basically do this. This don't need a description. I try to not tell too much because my English is very bad, and I think you don't really can know it. So I do the arm. Wait, if you want to do it, if you want to do all the anime girl and not to block the image hair, for the legs, you have to do this. Do a pointer, and you see the same for the arm. Okay. So do the arm like this. And the ends, for the ends we need another video, so I do it really bad and fast. Basically like it. I think it can do that. So after that, you have to do it. Okay. After that, if you have Medibang paint like me, you have to do this duplicate layer and do another layer. So pick and do this, you know. But that's not the same for if you have another drawing app like Keybase Paint, Procreate, Krita, or another. But you basically have to add another layer. And in my drawing, I always do another layer for do the real drawing, because that's just the base. But for do the real drawing, you have to add another layer. So maybe like that. Yes. And you have to do your own character with your character design. The eyes have to be here in that, the nose in that line, the mouth here. Now I'm doing bad for do fast. That hair. We not talk now today. Then you have to do the dress, another thing of character design. I do a sketch, and when we go to line art. So the hair. For do the hair, you have to write and it's here. Then to this it's you can do the front hair like that. Then do it here and do the back hair. And that's real hair. So that's real character. If we hide the base, we see what we do in that layer. So it's the turn of line art. So line art is the most difficult and important phase of the drawing. For line art, you have to do the final drawing. So the line are to be more. I'm bad on English. So for do the line art, you have to wait. I do a colored line art, but you can do it monocolor or just black. You can do the line art you want. So after that, you have to eliminate the part, the sketch and the base. For the color, so for the color I use this that, you know, and for the color you need 2 layers. The layer of the base color is the layer of the shade. So first the base color. You have to choose the color you want to use for the base color, like that. Wait, I need and for the shade we will see. So after the base color, you have to add the shading. The shading is you take a darker color and do things like this.
Ah!
So it
Dov'è il tappo?
My mom and brother in my room.
Sofia, stoppa. Stoppa e vieni con lui, dai, se no lui non viene via.
So the shading, the details, I will show you of your drawing after shading. So that's the shading. I show you with no shading, with shading. So you see that's so better and that's not. So the shading is important. So we'll
Devi parlare
finish
per forza adesso, che ci mettere apparecchio.
and that's all. Bye.